everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I'm bringing you guys my Dollar Tree haul because why? It's Dollar Tree Saturday. Now I wanted to find a couple things this week and I couldn't go to the Dollar Trees I usually go to, but I was able to find a couple things that is on my wish list. But I'm already going to probably go back tomorrow because I have an idea of what I want to get and something I want to make for a DIY. So I have to go back, but that'll be in next Saturday's video. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. It's a small haul, it's not much, but hey, I was pretty excited to get some things. So I always hear people talking about Takis. People are like, oh, it's just Takis. I'm like, what the heck is a Taki? Like, I know it's a chip, but I'm like, what is so awesome about it? So I'm like, okay, we're going to do a Taki taste test, I think, husband and I, because husband's like, what the heck is a Taki? And I'm like, yeah, exactly. So I found the Taki Explosion. It's cheese and chili pepper tortilla chips. I'm not really into stuff that's spicy, but if the husband does it with me, I will do it. So we got that flavor. And then we ended up getting the Taki Fuego. It's hot chili pepper and lime and tortilla chips. So got that. And then right near them, they also had the churritos. It says Fuego. And this is hot chili pepper and lime corn snack stick. So this is pretty much the same exact one. There is different flavors, so I might have to go to another Dollar Tree, but you guys will have to watch and us do a taste test. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to get those. So that is going to be a taste test video for the husband and I, because why not? Why not? It's something to try, and you guys probably tried them before, I'm not sure. I found this candle. It was Volcanic Burst. I thought it smells pretty good. I can't even tell you what it smells like, but it smells good. It smells good. I really like it, and I thought the jar is super cute. It's kind of like a weird green, if you guys can even see it, but not for $1. I'll try it. I do like candles from time to time. Now, my mom and I went and played bingo tonight, so I got some Twix. I already ate it, but they got the Twix, so wanted to share with you guys with that. I also got the Amapay refills. I thought I've been looking for the refills just because the ones that we have are just already wearing. And my store that I went to only had 2 of those, so I'm like, you know what, for $1 I'll get them, even though you could probably just get another one for $1. But I thought, you know what, I'll get one of these. And then I found a sound machine. I thought this would be a cute little gift to put in Ben's Easter basket. But it does a whistle, a burp, like an explosion, a dog barking, a siren, probably a laugh, a drum, maybe people clapping, and a fart machine. So I thought for $1, can't go wrong with that. There is batteries included. I think there's usually a pull tab that you gotta pull, but I could not pass that up. I like little machines. So we got that, and then I saw some magnets. I'm obsessed with magnets lately, especially from the Dollar Tree, so I had to get these, but I don't want to talk about it. I think that is like super, super cute. And then this one, it says, don't worry, or donut worry, be happy. So I thought these were super, super cute. I love these kind of these magnets. These magnets also make things really stick. I also got a bunch of these. I got 9 of these. These are those little candle holders. I actually want to do a DIY with these, so I ended up getting 6 of them because what I want to do. So when the weather eventually warms up, I'm gonna spray paint these a certain color, but I got a whole bag of them, so I got 6 of them if you guys can kind of see. But I think these are super cute. I think they're super cute, and you can actually kind of do a lot of stuff with them. But I was excited to get this so I can show you guys some DIYs. So I got some other ideas that I might do, and if I see more, I might get more. It just depends on what I want to do with DIYs. But yeah, that was my haul. I know it was kind of lame, but I didn't need a lot of stuff this week, and I do have stuff on my wish list that you guys are getting, or some of you guys are getting. But I haven't found them yet, but I'm going to go to one of my favorite Dollar Trees possibly tomorrow. I'm going to see if the husband can come with me, so we'll see about that. But you guys know the drill. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more Dollar Tree Saturdays and more Dollar Tree DIYs. I have a bunch in my mind now since spring is coming and I can spray paint. I want to show you guys more things, so yeah. You guys know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button so you guys can see more videos, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!